welcome back to my channel. So today I will be planting those beautiful plants that I got from Maria. Her YouTube name is Succulent Living by Maria. So I'm gonna be doing that today. This pot right here, it's not a pot, it's an actual candle holder. There was a citronella candle in here. My daughter had found this at Peanut Island and she thought it was a pot and she was so happy to give it to me, and I was very happy that she found it. I said, oh, there, because she was wondering, why would someone leave a random pot out here? I'm like, oh, there was a candle in there. It's for mosquitoes. She goes, oh, okay. So I really liked it. I made drainage in here, and I also added regular cactus soil with some perlite. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and start with this really nice looking euphorbia. It's a variegated version. I think it's a euphorbia mammillaria. I already wrote the name on my previous channel, so if you're really, not previous channel, in my previous video, so if you're really curious about it, go ahead and look that up right there, or I'll just put it right here on the screen so you guys know. Probably gonna be a pretty quick potting video. It's not a difficult one. This is pretty easy. I already know what I want to do. Okay, perfect. And the next one is this one. So before I was into plants, I always referred to soil as dirt. I never called it soil. I knew that is the correct name, soil. But when you are not a person that's...
Mommy, did you touch my iPad?
No?
I texted Naima and
Sorry about that, guys. My daughter needed to talk to me. Anyways, so I've always called soil dirt, and I never thought to call it anything else, because normally when you talk to your kids, oh, why are you dragging, you're tracking dirt into the house, or you're getting dirt all over your pants. So that's what I'm used to. So I'm sorry for saying dirt. I've had some people correct me, but yeah, I don't mind, because I do forget to refer it to the correct name, so I do apologize about that. You can just laugh every time I do it, because you can be sure that when I'm editing my video and I hear myself say it, I cringe every time. I'm like, darn it, I said it again. So yeah, you can just laugh and know that I am complaining about it, that I said it again. Okay guys, this was a pretty simple arrangement. I love these plants. They're so pretty, and I wanted to keep them together. The Sphalia Gigante, this one, I want her to be in her own pot. She does get pretty big, so I think she would do well in her own pot. Let me get some rocks so I can dress it up. You guys remember the rocks that I told you that my husband found? I think these rocks are perfect for it. They're really pretty rocks. I think they're river rocks. Look at Maxie. Maxie, I guess there might be something in the neighbor's yard, like a cat or a squirrel, and she's whining because she can't get to it. There goes a rock. I'm gonna add sand to this, to some parts, but even though I add sand to it, I like to do the rocks so that it helps for when I water it. It doesn't, what's it called? The dirt doesn't come, oops, I said it. The soil does not come up and get the sand all dirty. Maxie, stop. So these I'll press down more because that's where I want the sand. So some people have questioned if rocks prevent the arrangement from drying quicker. I'm not sure about that. So what I would do is for these types of plants, I guess I would caution myself when I water to just water very lightly and maybe not drench the whole pot, you know. Maybe like water frequently but lightly so that it has a good chance, so that it has time to dry in between. And another thing you can do is just check it. Check to see if the soil has dried before watering again. You guys can buy a moisture meter on Amazon. It's not that expensive. I think it's like $10. That's where I think I ordered mine from Amazon, and I believe that's what I paid for it. Another earth colors in here. Let me see if I can find my stand. Hold on. I'll show you my other one that I made and it's doing well. I have no issues with it, and I have watered it several times. So really, you know, you just don't know until you try it. And then it doesn't mean that these will respond the same way. Oh, there's so much breeze outside. I love it. I don't know if I should bring the sand all the way over here. Okay, there you go. I really like how that looks. Needed to clean the pot itself from the outside a little bit more. I'm going to clean up and then give you a closer look, and I'm also going to show you what the other one looks like. Okay, so this is the final product. This is what it looks like. I really like the way it turned out. It's so pretty. Thank you so much. Guys, this is the other one I was talking about. You guys saw a video on this. She's been doing really well. Show you a close-up. And that's it, guys. Okay guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching my videos and supporting my channel. I hope you guys go support Maria if you haven't yet. And thanks again. And as always guys, I'm going to put pictures at the end. Thanks guys. Bye.